This is the 4-set ambient light for the BMW 5 Series G30. That one is the left dash light, and this long one is the right dash light. This is 4-door control lights, the upper control lights. This is the lower control lights, total 4 pieces, and that also total 4 pieces. This is the storage box light. This is the handle lights, and this is the footlights, 4 pieces. These 2 pieces lights is for spare. Usually no need to connect this one. Okay. So the dash light will connect. This is the main control box. This is 4 slate control box. This one, these 4 pieces connect to the door. This one connect to the center console. This is the wiring for the main control box, the CAN cable. And this is the extend cables to connect with the footlights and the control box. And this is the power cable for the slate box, total 4 pieces. Okay, so this CAN cable connects to the hard drive. We do a bypass. Disconnect original hard drive cable, connects to our cables, and this part to here, and this one connect to hard drive. Okay, and this left dash light connect to this port, and right dash light cable connects to this port. Okay, and this one we connect this extend cable to here. Okay, and there are, and this 4 sockets is for the footlights, left footlights, right footlights for both front and rear, and these 2 sockets is spare for these 2 dials, so no need to connect unless you have original lights in your car. Usually no need to connect this one. Okay, this is for the door module. Total 3 port. Okay, this port connect this upper street. This port for this upper street. Okay, and this port for this light street, and this port for this storage box light. And on the side, you also have port for this handle light. This handle light connects to this socket. Actually, these 4 sockets are same, just this one is different. This one is for this light street, and others other ports you can connect to any one of them. Okay, that's all.